Hi, my name's Alan from the Window Repair People, and today we're heading to Clare. We're going down to a house that needs to be serviced, and there's also 2 sets of hinges in the kitchen that need to be replaced. The hinges are worn, so it's not pulling the sash up against the seals anymore, and it's causing a draft.
I'm staring at you, you don't even notice. Should've told you straight away, you don't have to be afraid anymore. I know you haven't noticed. You know that I won't let you go. Put your arms around me.
Okay, so we are below in Kildicer today, and we're going fixing this window. The hinges are gone, and the way we know that is there is a gap between the frame and the opening part of the window. Now this is massive altogether, like, you know, you can fit your finger in there, but it doesn't always have to be that bad. But like, there's a window over here that we're doing as well, and the gap is very small on it, but again, any gap leaves in air, so we'll be changing this window and this one. So what I'm going to do is I'll set up the GoPro, and you can see me changing these.
Should've told you straight away everything I have to say, but I'm afraid, and I know you haven't noticed. You know that I won't let you go. Put your arms around me, and I'll let you know how it feels when time goes slow. And I won't let it rush when I see you dance, and the moment comes when I fall.
First thing we'll notice is that the hinges here are too small. So I'm actually going to replace a 12-inch hinge with a 16-inch hinge. They're far stronger, we're able for more weight, and they last way longer.
Hey, I wish you could see yourself just sitting there on my chair. I'm staring at you, you don't even notice. Should've told you straight away, you don't have to be afraid anymore. I know you haven't noticed. You know that I won't let you go. Put your arms around me, and I'll let you know how it feels when time goes slow. And I won't let it rush when I see you dance, and the moment comes when I fall and time goes slow. I fall into you. I fall into you. Hey, I wish I could show you more, 'cause baby you deserve some more. But still you're here, and that's what I adore. Should've told you straight away everything I have to say, but I'm afraid, and I know you haven't noticed. You know that I won't let you go. Put your arms around me, and I'll let you know how it feels when time goes slow. And I won't let it rush when I see you dance, and the moment comes when I fall and time goes slow.
So this window's fixed now, and what you'll see is that there's no gap.
I wish you could see
And it's tight all the way along. So now there's no drafts. See how it open the window. There's the new hinge in. And it's good for another 20 years. So I just finished that job there now. So please like and subscribe to the channel and ring the bell if you want to get notifications of when I put up a new video.
Hey, I wish you could see yourself just sitting there